indicators here. It's about 10:38 a.m. Finally got a breakout on ES here. And let me just walk you through why we're in this trade. Well, first off, we have broken above the Maverick guide. I wasn't in front of my computer at this moment, so we're getting in a little later than I would have liked to, but that's okay. So remember, when we're above the Maverick guide, this blue line, we go long. When we're below the Maverick guide, we go short. All right, so, but that's not even the biggest telltale sign here. We got the green background, so we're going long. We're above the Maverick guide, this blue line. You're above your cloud. We have bright green candles, bright green candles. We love bright green candles. Green candles are your highest momentum to the upside. Bright green candles right here. When you see bright green candles, it's telling you a story behind the bar. Okay, so sometimes you look at candles and you're like, well, I don't know if there's a lot of momentum. You got to evaluate volume and where it is, RSI, all these like different indicators that just crud up your chart. But when we can just have something like the Maverick AI Pro color our bars to tell us the story behind it, we really don't need all that other stuff. At least I don't. But everybody's got a different trading style and different preference. My preference is I like to keep my charts clean and just clear understanding of the direction that we're going in. So speaking of direction, we got the green background, bright green candles, got a confidence arrow down here when we broke finally above the Maverick guide, this blue line. Remember, when we're above the Maverick guide, we go long. When we're below it, we go short. And you can see how this just consistently works out. Below the Maverick guide, above the Maverick guide, below the Maverick guide, above the Maverick guide. But we are completely solid green on our Maverick Multi-X. This indicator down here below, this is, think of it like trading with 5 other traders, okay? And across 6 time frames, and you can set it for a 7th time frame, but instead of having 6 charts up on your screen, instead of having 6 monitors on your desk, why not just have this small indicator at the bottom of your screen, which is called the Maverick Multi-X, and think of these traders, I'm giving you an analogy here, but T1 through T5, trader 1 through trader 5, think of these traders as all having a different style. They're all looking for a different thing. And we send these 5 traders, if you will, to each one of these time frames. And you can set these time frames for pretty much whatever you want. I have them set for low time frames because there's not a lot of news today. So I'm not looking for home runs here. But we send these 5 traders to the 1 minute and we say, hey, what do y'all think? Are we going up or are we going down? All 5 of you, look at the 1 minute. Then we send all 5 traders to the 3 minute. Hey, what does it look like? Are we going up or are we going down? They're all looking for different things. And when you get this consensus, the 1 minute through the 30 minute, or maybe you want to set it for the 60 minute and the 2 hour and the 4 hour, whatever your trading style is, when we get these 5 traders to look at each one of these time frames and all vote green, all vote up, I remember trading is a game of probability. So if I can have my Maverick AI Pro coloring my background green, giving me bright green candles, giving me a confidence arrow when we break above the Maverick guide, and then my Maverick Multi-X being mostly, if not all green, I'm stacking the probabilities in my favor, right? Okay, so we just had a nice run up of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and actually 6 candles straight up. So it's okay if we get a little bit of retracement here. I'm only in 1 contract, so no big deal there. So let's just watch how this trade plays out. I'm still green background. I'm still the bright green bar. Now it's changing to a dark green bar, but that's okay. We're getting a little bit of volatility here. I'm mostly still green on my Maverick Multi-X. So this is where you can be in a trade and the uncertainty doesn't always creep in because you have your indicators guiding you throughout this. So some traders would go, now this would be a red candle normally. This would be a red candle and there'd be a lot of panicking traders right now with a red candle going up. That's it. I knew it. We're reversing. I went long and now we're reversing. But because I have my Maverick AI Pro coloring my candles and I know what's going on behind the hood, we were down $150 there, and look how it just keeps coming back, right? Okay. And, we just cut our deficit, our drawdown in half, in just a little. So I got my feet up. I'm drinking my coffee. It's 10:43 a.m. And let's see where this trade goes. My Maverick Multi-X is saying we're still heading up. My Maverick guide, we're below price. We still have a green background. So I have a lot of green in my favor here. Let's see how this plays out. I'll leave my screen recording and we'll check it out. I got my stop loss in, so I am protected. Let's just see where this goes. And probability says we're going to continue to the upside. Unless things change, unless the 1 minute chart starts turning red, and then the 3 minute chart starts turning red, and the 5 minute starts turning red, probability says we're going to continue to the upside. But again, it's the market, can do anything at any time. The president could come on and tweet something and send the market, it could grab my stop loss there, whatever it is. But let's just keep an eye on it, and I'll leave my recording going. All right, so as you saw, we were taking some heat back there, but we weren't panicking, right? Okay, kept sipping on my coffee and, not saying that trading isn't, a little nerve-wracking, but I had all the confidence to go, okay, probability is still in my favor. We still have a green background. We're still getting green candles from the Maverick AI Pro. We're still above our cloud. We're still above the Maverick guide and my Maverick Multi-X. Again, think of it like 5 traders looking at 6 different time frames are all saying green. Okay, so in saying that, I don't panic when I see a red candle, right? A lot of traders, it's just green and red candles, and they would see a red candle and it doesn't tell what's going on under the hood. Okay, so again, look at this downward candle right here being pushed down. How many people would just be freaking out right now, going oh my gosh, oh, it's coming down. That's it. It's a reversal. It's a reversal. But the Maverick AI Pro is saying, hey, we're coloring this green for a reason. There's other things that you can't see that are happening under the hood. So we're going to keep this candle bright green. We're going to keep the background green, even though we just thrusted downward in pretty quick fashion that probably scared a lot of traders out, right? Okay, because that would have been a red candle right there. That would have been a red candle. So I'm going to continue to let this trade play out. We did get another confidence arrow, this last bar, pointing up. And remember, trends don't go forever. But can we make $250 from this trade? And if we're trade copying 4 accounts, it's $1,000 trade just from $200 or $250 from a trade. So how many people just got shooken out on this wick? You saw how fast it headed down, right? But guess what? Our Maverick Multi-X mostly stayed green. Our candle stayed green. Our background stayed green. So we didn't get shooken out, right? Okay. So we'll continue to watch this sucker. Let's just see how this plays out. All right, so again, I want you to have seen how so many traders would have gotten shaken out during this entire period here because they would have gotten red candles because the candles were closing below the previous candle, and they would have for sure gone, okay, here we go, we're reversing. But the Maverick AI Pro showed us that there's more under the hood. There's more things happening, and it kept the green background. It's giving us another confidence arrow. On some of these down candles, it gave us a lime green candle, which you're thinking, wait, that is the highest momentum to the upside candle. But we're going down because it's telling you more than just direction. you can see what direction a candle is going. But what you want to know is what's going on under the hood that's going to affect the future, right? And again, this is a probability game, but during this whole time of chop that we just watched, how many people got shooken out? Because they're just dealing with red and green candles. The Maverick AI Pro is giving you a colored background. It's telling you green. It's giving you lime green candles. Even on a down candle, it stayed green because it's telling you, hey, pay attention, underneath the hood is stuff to the upside, right? You're above the Maverick guide. And the Maverick guide is on its way up. The Maverick Multi-X continues to be solid green across 6 time frames. 5 independent trading styles, all looking at 6 time frames going, we're going up. So we did not get shaken out of this trade, okay? Even when it started heading to the downside, okay? This is the power of the Maverick AI Pro and the Maverick Multi-X. Folks, if you're interested in either one of these indicators, check us out, MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com. We extended our sale, 50% off monthly and lifetime subscriptions. Check us out. We'd love to help you crush it trading. MaverickIndicators.com. Yeah, I think you're going to really, really enjoy these indicators. All right. So again, don't get shaken out. Let the Maverick AI Pro guide you. And give us a whirl. We'd love to have you.